वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स अँड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन, आनी तुमी म्हणटा आसतलीं आयज मसालो दाखयता म्हणजे मसाल्याचो पावडर. येस, यू आर रायट. टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल हाव टू मेक होम मेड पाव भाजी masala powder. For that, please note down the ingredients, which is in tablespoon. So tablespoon, whichever you all have in measurement, or it's easily available in Amazon. I will share the link. So this is 4 tablespoon of coriander seeds, dry coriander seeds. आमची धनिया, सुकी धनिया or कोथमीर म्हणून येता, सुकी कोथमीर seeds. So 4 tablespoon of that. Then we need 2 tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, 2 kulera. Then 2 of black elaichi or black cardamom, masala elaichi munta menka. So of that 2, 1 cinnamon stick which is 2 inches. These are 12 cloves, and it's like around 1 teaspoon you can say, but it is numbers, it is 12 cloves. And this is 24 of peppercorns, that is again 1 teaspoon. 6 Kashmiri red chili for the color and nice taste, and 1 tablespoon of soft, that is fennel seeds. It's totally different, okay? This is jeera and this is soft. So this is what we have to roast it, and then after cooling we have to grind this to a fine powder. Other ingredients what we need is 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and this is amchur. So this is like dry mango powder. So I have taken around 1 big tablespoon of dry mango powder. You can make it at home or you can get from store. And instead of kala namak, black salt, I am using normal iodized tata namak, that is 1 teaspoon. So this all we need. After grinding this, we have to mix this. So let's roast this and then grind this to a fine powder, and our Pav Bhaji Masala Powder is ready. I will show you all that. So this is now done. Now I will add this powder to this and then grind it together so it get mixed well. And here is the masala ready. So Pav Bhaji Masala is ready. So here is our homemade Pav Bhaji Masala Powder. Try and make this recipe and enjoy your pav bhaji. Thank you. Quantity is like quarter kg, that is 250 gram what we have got from all the ingredients. So if you want to make more and keep, then you have to double the quantity what I have showed. Thank you. And here it is, our home made Pav Bhaji Masala Powder, ready to make anytime Pav Bhaji at home. Why buy from store when you can make it at home? But if you don't have time, then yes, you can go for it for any company which you like. Thank you.